Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to delete a song in Suno AI. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Suno AI application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Suno AI application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the Explore interface. Now at bottom, you'll be able to find several icons over here. Simply tap on the library icon that you can see right next to the home icon. Now you'll be led to the library interface. You'll be able to see all your songs over here. So if you want to delete a song, it is actually very simple. Simply identify the song that you want to delete. Right next to it, you'll be able to find three dots. Simply tap on it. Now you'll be able to find the options like add to playlist, share song, edit song details, remaster, etc. Simply scroll down. Now over here, you'll be able to find the option for delete song. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here that song will be deleted, but if you want to delete the published song, in that case what you have to do is tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to see the public songs over here. Simply tap on the three dots right next to the song that you want to delete. Now over here too, you'll be able to find several options. Tap on the option delete song that you can see at bottom. Now you can see over here that song will be deleted. So like this too, you'll be able to delete the song. So that is how you delete a song in Suno AI. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.